Children, please see that your mics are switched off. Page 28, 27 of your social studies book. Be ready with your pencil. Please write classwork on top and write today's date. Ayansh, please make sure that your mic is switched off all the time, because even if one mic is switched on, the entire class gets disturbed. Write classwork, write today's date. Okay.
Which copy?
यश का जो भी पेरेंट है प्लीज सामने आइए आप. यश का सॉरी अयांश का जो भी पेरेंट है प्लीज सामने आइए. अयांश, कॉल योर मदर और फादर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा प्लीज.
यस मैम.
प्लीज़ ध्यान रखिए कि माइक स्विच ऑफ रहे. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले भी जब क्लास ज्वाइन किया था तो माइक स्विच ऑन रहता है अयांश का. एक बच्चे का भी माइक खुला रह जाता है तो पूरे क्लास को मेरी आवाज़ साफ नहीं सुनाई देती है. राइट, तो जस्ट टेक केयर कि इनका ये बंद रहे प्लीज़. ओके, राइट चिल्ड्रन, वी आर गोइंग टू डू एक्सरसाइज A. Tick the correct option. Now when we are ticking the correct option, हम लोग उस correct option को underline भी करेंगे. After ticking the correct option, we will underline the correct option also. Number 1, Veronica, please read the sentence, read both the options and then give me the answer. Veronica.
Okay, ma'am. A lion lived in a den.
I said, Veronica, I said read both the options and then give me the answer. ध्यान से सुना करो मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. Read again. Veronica, read again.
A lion lived in a den.
Veronica, अभी मैंने क्या कहा है, तुम्हें क्या करना है मुझे बताओ. हिंदी में बताओ मैंने क्या कहा तुमसे. बेटा मुंह से बोलना पड़ेगा तभी मुझे सुनाई देगा तुम क्या कह रही हो. Veronica, did you hear मैंने क्या कहा था? तुमने सुना था मैंने क्या कहा? Yes or no child? What did I say? अगर तुमने सुना था कि मैंने क्या कहा तो मैंने क्या कहा था Veronica? बेटा कुछ सुना था ना तुमने?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
No, don't call mama. Mama will not come, Veronica. Mama will not come. ये तुम सोचो कि तुम स्कूल में हो. Switch on your mic please, Veronica. Read the sentence again. Read the sentence.
A lion lived in a
आगे पढ़ो बेटा. आ के बाद क्या लिखा है?
nest. Den.
हाँ, now tell me the answer.
Den.
वेरी गुड. मैंने कहा था पूरा सेंटेंस पढ़ोगे, दोनों ऑप्शंस पढ़ोगे तब आंसर बताओगे. सिर्फ आंसर मुझे नहीं जानना होता है, मुझे दोनों ऑप्शंस भी सुनने होते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर Veronica? Yes or no? Yes. Now write. Underline den children and put a tick mark on it. Please underline den and put a tick mark on it. Shayan. Shayan.
Yes,
Number
ma'am.
2.
Yes, ma'am.
Read sentence number 2.
A duck lives in a pond.
आगे नहीं पढ़ोगे, पॉन्ड के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Hut.
रीड अगेन. शायान फिर से पढ़ो पूरा सेंटेंस.
A duck lives in a pond hut.
Okay, and what is the answer, Shayan?
Pond.
The answer is, what is the answer, Shayan?
Pond.
Okay,
Pond.
pond is the correct answer. Please underline pond and put a tick mark on it.
One minute.
Viraj Gupta. Number 3. Better switch on your mic, Viraj.
Rabbit live in a
आप बताना प्लीज, बंद कर दीजिए उसको. लेट हिम आंसर. अ रैबिट लिव्स इन अ, आगे पढ़ो.
BURROW.
उससे पहले कुछ लिखा हुआ है विराज. विराज उससे पहले कुछ लिखा है. अ रैबिट लिव्स इन अ, उससे पहले क्या लिखा है? बरो से पहले क्या लिखा है?
She
विराज ऊपर देखो, मेरी तरफ देखो विराज. लुक एट मी. विराज लुक एट मी. मैंने क्या कहा था? पूरा सेंटेंस पढ़ना है, उसके बाद आंसर बताना है. मुझे सिर्फ आंसर नहीं चाहिए, मुझे केवल आंसर नहीं चाहिए. आई वॉन्ट यू टू रीड द फुल सेंटेंस. ना पूरा सेंटेंस फिर से पढ़ो एंड देन टेल मी द आंसर. रीड. SHED shed. SHED shed. Shed. And the next word. Next word. BURROW. Burrow. Pronounce करो. Burrow. Pronounce the word, Viraj. The word is burrow. आंसर क्या होगा विराज इसमें? विराज इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Achint, please read number 3. Achint.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read sentence number 3 and give me the answer. Achint, I can't hear you, child. Read sentence number 3 again, please. Achint, can you hear me, child?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Achint, what is the answer to this? बेटा तुमने कौन सा सेंटेंस पढ़ा है अचिंत? You have to read number 3, child. Read number 3.
One is click in house of PD. Barrow.
And the answer is?
Barrow.
Very good. Please underline Barrow and put a tick mark on it. Good. Number 4. Arsalan, yes. Come on, Arsalan. Read number 4, child.
A horse lives in a stable. Kennel.
Very good.
A horse lives in a stable.
Very good. You read both the options and you gave the correct answer. This is how it should be done. Okay. So underline stable and put a tick mark on it. Okay. Then let us leave out exercise B. We'll be doing that later on. Next, project time. चलो let us see project time में क्या दिया हुआ है. Okay, let us see क्या दिया है. There are 2 animals made over here. Hanifa, can you give me the name of both the animals? Hanifa, जो 2 animals यहाँ बने, can you give me their names?
Lion and rabbit.
Very good. Lion and rabbit. Okay. Advait, can you give me the name of lion's house? Lion's house. Lion का house का नाम बोलो.
Lion's of den.
Very good. Very good. Very good. And Mahira Fatma, can you give me the name of the rabbit's house?
Yes, ma'am.
Rabbit lives in a
Burrow.
very good. So now you children
Burrow.
know that lion lives in a den and rabbit lives in a burrow. Now pick up your scale and your pencil and lion के house में lion का draw कर दो and rabbit के house में rabbit का draw कर दो. Draw it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
please, what we have to do?
You have to match the animal to its house, right? You have to match the animal to its house. Draw lines with the scale. Lion को den से करो और rabbit को burrow से. Okay, children. Now turn back to page 24. Page 24, children. Page 24. Put your pencils down, children.
Mommy, ma'am, can you hear me?
You can't hear me. I am going to read the lesson, Homes of Animals, children. Please pay attention. I'll be reading the lesson, Homes of Animals. Right? Okay. Get ready. You will put your finger on the line that I am reading. Homes of Animals. We all need homes to live in. Animals also need homes. They also need to protect themselves from heat, cold, and rain. They need to protect themselves from their enemies. Some animals live on land, some live in water, and some live both on land and in water. Akshay, please look into the book. You are not looking into the book, Akshay Gupta. Homes of Animals, next page. Animals that live on land. Hanify your finger on the page that I am reading. A monkey lives on a tree. A cow lives in a shed. A lion lives in a den. A duck lives in a pond. A horse lives in a stable. A bird lives in a nest. A dog lives in a kennel. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Turn the page, children. Have you all turned? Amazing fact. A cuckoo is a bird that doesn't make its nest. It lays its eggs in a crow's nest. Animals that live in water: dolphin, octopus, whale. Animals that live both on land and in water: tortoise, frog, hippopotamus. Word bank: den, come down please, den, home of a lion. Kennel, home of a dog. Stable, home of a horse. Nest, home of a bird. Shed, home of a cow. Value point: be kind to animals. Take care of their needs like food, water and shelter. Animals के का ध्यान आपको, जो स्ट्रे एनिमल्स हैं, जो पेट एनिमल्स नहीं, उनका भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए. Keep in mind, every animal needs a house to live in. A house protects an animal from heat, cold, rain, etc. Animals live in different types of houses. Children, you will do the reading of this lesson again today at home. Read it nicely. And your classes for today are over, children. I'll be sending you homework, right? You will do that homework and follow the instructions that I give in the Homework, children. As of today, your classes are over. Take care, children. Be good and stay good. God bless you all. Bye bye, children.